Hi students, this is Mr. Adkins. I just wanted to clarify some things and show you around Google Classroom. I know that some students have been kind of struggling to get to the links. Hopefully this tutorial will help you. So when you go into your classroom, and I'm using period 1 as an example, you're automatically going to go onto Stream page. And so these tabs up here will help you. So Stream, Classwork, People, Grades. So Stream, if we look at all the things that I posted in the last couple days, Mountain Men Artifacts is that Nearpod, the slideshow. Kahoot, Unit 3 practice test, you should be able to click here, go to the link, and then put your nickname, and then Unit 3 practice test, which is like a Google form if you're having trouble with that Kahoot. What I would strongly suggest, though, if you're not able to access those through the Stream page, is go to Classwork. You're going to go to Classwork, and under Unit 3, European and American Exploration, you're going to click on Mountain Men Artifacts if you haven't already. You're going to click on the Nearpod. It should just take a second to load up. Join session. And then you should be able to go through the slides. This one involves you scrolling down to make sure you understand all the Mountain Men artifacts. This is a lot of writing, so just kind of skim through it. Open-ended question. What Mountain Men artifact did you find most intriguing or interesting? You're matching. You can just click this to move that and start matching them. So make sure that you understand those items. And then you have a quiz at the end. The other thing that I wanted to bring up to your attention is, again, the Kahoot. If you click this, it should bring you up to this page. Try to make it a little easier for you guys. And this is join game. You're going to enter a nickname. I'm just going to put Dave. I'll put that. Dave SN90. Okay, go. It says European explorers, Catholic priests, and mountain men. Why were the conquistadors motivated to travel to the Americas? And as you guys know, to find gold, spread religion, and receive power, you're going to click on that one. Next. And then you're going to press next again, and then it's going to go through that. Like I said, the practice test, if you're having problems with getting to the Kahoot, the practice test is just like a Google form, same format as your test that will be on Friday and Saturday for you to take. But I hope this helps. Again, if you have any more questions, please feel free to email me. I'll try to get back to you. Thank you for being patient. This is all a learning process for everyone. But if you're really having struggles with completing some of the assignments or assessments, please let me know, because I don't want you to be too behind once we get back in the classroom. Okay, I hope you're having a good day. Again, this is Mr. Adkins. Take care.